The standing seam roof system is one of the most durable and elegant metal roofing solutions in the construction industry. It's made from galvanized steel, aluminum, or pre-painted steel coils, usually between 0.4 to 0.8 millimeters thick. These panels are known for their raised seams that interlock tightly, ensuring excellent waterproofing, wind resistance, and a clean architectural look. Standing seam panels are widely used in residential, commercial, and industrial roofing projects, from modern office buildings to metal barns and warehouses. Their sleek appearance and maintenance-free performance make them ideal for both new construction and roof renovation. Now, let's look at how the standing seam roll forming machine produces these panels. The production starts with a manual or hydraulic decoiler, feeding the steel coils smoothly into the line. In the main roll forming section, multiple precisely machined rollers gradually shape the coil into the required standing seam profile. Each roller station is engineered for high accuracy, minimal material stress, and consistent panel width. The forming speed can reach up to 15 to 20 meters per minute, providing efficient and stable production. After forming, the panels move to the cutting unit, usually a hydraulic or flying shear that cuts the panels to any desired length with smooth edges and without deforming the profile. Finally, the finished panels are collected on the runout table, ready for packaging and installation. This machine features a compact structure, easy operation, and quick profile change options. It is widely compatible with different types of standing seam designs, including snap lock, double lock, and mechanically seamed profiles. Whether you're a metal building contractor or a panel manufacturer, the standing seam roll forming machine helps you achieve precise, high-quality roof panels that last for decades, while maximizing your productivity and minimizing waste. Go Long Machinery, forming ahead, building beyond.